Hi everybody, I'm Marc from Steepleview Farm. We're both here for the same reason. We love gardening, we love farming, and we'd like to know more about it. I started farming 35 years ago. I learned a lot by making mistakes, and I have this channel to help you avoid making those mistakes, to share with you the things that I have learned over the years that worked out right, and all of the places and all of the resources that I go to for the answers to the questions that don't come to me naturally. You want to learn how to do things without chemicals. You want to learn how to raise vegetables the natural way. If you want to learn more about gardening, this is the place to be. I'm going to share with you the things that I've learned gardening and farming. Gardening with Marc, new content every Friday right here at the Steepleview Farm channel. Steepleview Farm is a 170-acre little piece of heaven. It's perched way above sea level right in between the Ohio and Kentucky rivers. Stay tuned for content devoted to what you love and what I love, and that is gardening and farming. Don't forget to subscribe. And by all means, ask questions. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Find us on Facebook at Steepleview Farm. Find our website, steepleviewfarm.net. We hope to see you here.